Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Viva Devi Lestari. You can call me Viva. Today I will present about calculation of production cost using the process cost method for XXXMSMES. The list of content are: the first is introduction, the second is literature review, and the last is research method. Introduction are background, problem formulation, and objective and benefit of research. The background of research is MSMES play a significant role in Indonesia GDP but often struggle with accurate cost of goods manufactured calculation, reduction, competitiveness. The process costing method help allocate cost systematically as applied to MSMEXXX, enabling more competitive pricing, improved efficiency, and identified saving opportunities. The study aims to benefit MSMEXXX and others in enhancing market competitiveness. Next is problem formulation. Number one is how is the cost of good manufactured calculation process currently implemented by MSMEXXX. Number two is how is the process costing method applied in calculating the cost of good manufactured at MSMEXXX. And the last is how does the cost of goods manufactured calculation using the process costing method compare to the conventional method used by MSMEXXX. Next is next is objective of research. Number one is analyze the current cost of goods manufactured calculation process implemented by MSMES XXX. Number two is apply process costing method to calculate the cost of goods manufactured at MSMEXXX. And the last is compare the cost of goods manufactured results using the process costing method with the conventional method used by MSMEXXX. Next is benefit of research. The research is expected by provide useful information to assess MSMES in determining the cost of goods manufactured accurately so that they can set the right selling price and increase profitability and in and it can be a basis for business owners in making decisions regarding determining product selling prices. Next is literature review. Number one is cost accounting. Number two is cost of goods manufactured. Number three is the rule of cost accounting. Number four is method of calculating cost of production. Number five is classification of cost. And the last is method of determining the cost of production. The first is cost accounting. Cost accounting is a systematic process that involves the identification, recording, classification, summarization, and reporting of costs associated with the production and sale of product of services. Next is the rule of cost accounting. Number one is preparation of budget and implementation of a company operating budget. Number two is establishment of cost calculation method and procedure. Number three is determination of inventory values for cost calculation and pricing. Number four is calculation cost and profit for an accounting period. Number five is selecting the best system and procedures from alternative. Next is classification of costs according to Siregar. Number one is relationship of cost to products are direct cost and indirect cost. Number two is relationship of cost to activity volume are variable cost, fixed cost, and mixed cost. And the last is element of production cost are the first is raw material cost, the second is direct and indirect cost, labor cost, and the last is factor overhead cost. Next is cost of good manufactured. The cost of good manufactured includes all expenses incurred in the process of converting raw materials into finished product. Next is method of collecting cost of production. According to Mulyadi, are order-based production and mass production. Order-based production is this method used the job order cost method where production costs are calculated for each order. Mass production, this method employs the process cost method where production costs are accumulated over a specific period. Next is method of determining the cost of production. According to Moliadi, there are two methods. Number one is the full costing and number two is the variable costing. The full costing the full costing method is refers to determination of product cost that includes all elements of production cost of and the variable cost method is refers to determination of product cost that only include variable production cost. Next is research method. The first is type of data according to their nature. Number one is the quantitative data used in working with final assignment is data related to the cost that the company has incurred in producing a product, which is then used a basis for allocating sorry which is the use as a basis for calculating the cost of production. Number two is the qualitative data used in writing with this final assignment is in the form of a general description of the company. Next is type of data according to source. The type of data according to source is writing this financial assessment is using primary data. Next is data analysis method. Are interview, observation, documentation, and literature review. The last is data analysis method. The data analysis method used in the discussion of the research is the exposition to method. Okay, that is all for me. From me, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.